Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will talk about what is Linux operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Linux operating system? Linux is an open source operating system that was released in 1991 by Linus Torvalds. It is based on the Unix operating system and it is one of the most popular operating systems in use today. Unlike proprietary operating systems like Microsoft Windows or Mac OS, Linux is open source software, which means that it is free to use and can be modified and distributed by anyone. One of the key advantages of Linux is its flexibility and versatility. It can be used on a wide range of hardware from smartphones and tablets to servers and supercomputers. It is also highly customizable with a wide range of distributions or distro available, each with their own unique features and user interfaces. Linux is also known for its stability and security. Because it is open source, bugs and vulnerabilities are quickly identified and fixed by the large community of developers and users. Additionally, Linux architecture and file system make it more resistant to malware and viruses than other operating systems. Linux is commonly used for web servers, data centers, and cloud computing, but it can also be used as desktop operating system. Some of the most popular Linux distributions for desktops include Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, and Linux Mint. Overall, Linux offers a powerful, customizable, and secure operating system that is free for anyone to use and modify. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about what is Linux operating system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.